Hello everybody. In the previous video I explained some simple yet effective techniques to determine the legitimacy of the platform. The conclusion was that the MEXC exchange platform is legit and trustworthy. I also mentioned that they offer an affiliate program. And in the following few minutes, I'm going to share an essential information about the MEXC affiliate program. You will quickly learn how to sign up for the program, who is it for, and also I'll share some information about possible restrictions that the program has, specifically geographical restrictions. Let's jump right into it. The MEXC affiliate program offers multi-tier commissions. As an affiliate, you can earn up to 50% commission on your referrals trading fees. On top of that, you can earn an additional 10% on the earnings of your sub-affiliate. Realize that it is based on trading fees, so the amount you earn depends on a traded volume. This is related to how effectively you can reach potential customers. It depends on factors such as the size of your social media following, the reach of your channel or website, and other similar metrics. So who is this affiliate program for? It's for anyone who is active online, whether you have a YouTube channel or a blog, or you are part of a cryptocurrency community. Perhaps you are an influencer or a person with thousands of followers on Instagram. Even a content creator interested in cryptocurrency niche can promote MEXC. Let's not forget about B2B relations, meaning it's a great opportunity for promotional agencies or any other organization related to this niche to reach more people and enhance their business opportunities. And if you are interested in joining their affiliate program, you can find the link below. You need to know if you are not from a prohibited country. Before I share the list of prohibited countries, let me also tell you that using a VPN is not suggested. I recently double-checked with my MEXC account manager, Megan, and she confirmed that using VPN could freeze your account because of security measures. So let's go through the list of prohibited countries. Currently, MEXC doesn't offer its services or accept users from these places: North Korea, Cuba, Sudan, Syria, Crimea, mainland China, Indonesia, Singapore, Venezuela, the United States, and Canada. This list might change, and MEXC can decide to add or remove countries. And once again, if you lie about where you live, MEXC can take action like closing your account. If you move to one of these countries, you need to tell MEXC right away. Now let's go over how to sign up for the MEXC affiliate program. It's very easy to sign up. You can just go to the affiliates.mexc.com and you can click on Join Now. One note though, if you go through the sign up process, you are asked for a basic information, and then you can tell a little bit about yourself, how do you plan to promote it, your details, and you also need to add your MEXC UID. How to get the MEXC UID? Well, first of all, you need to go directly to the MEXC.com, where you click on Sign Up. You can sign up with your email address, with your Apple account, MetaMask, or Telegram. You switch this to the right position. You then might be asked to get your verification code. Just confirm, the confirm goes automatically. And now you are signed up as a MEXC user. In the upper right corner, you'll find your user ID right here that you will use while signing up for affiliate program. You need to enter at least one contact information, let's say Twitter or X, and you can apply. Select the pictures in the order: chair, ice cream, swords. Say OK. I have 60 seconds to get my verification code and to paste it over there. It is 098888 and submit. Congratulations, your submission has been received. Your application is under review. We will contact you as soon as possible. Done. And now you need to wait a day or a couple of days until your application is approved. Once your application is approved, you can then go to the dashboard. Over here you get your promotion link that you can share with your audience and your followers. It's good to start with the tutorial and user guide. Both are to be found at the upper right corner. Tutorial, it's a 4-minute video, or user guide, where are all the information regarding the affiliate program. So that was the overview of the MEXC affiliate program, and by now you know how to sign up. In the next video, I will share some information about commissions, payouts, cookie information, and without being biased, to reveal the pros and cons. Thank you for now. Have a good one, and bye-bye.